Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today is the finale. Today is phase 3 of our color shifting pearls into shadow black experiment. Now, let me help you guys catch up. In phase 1, we needed to find out what the proper pigment load was for the project and find out if colored powder color shifts or white powder color shifts worked better getting mixed into shadow black. And we found out that 25 grams per gallon and white powder color shifts was the direction we were going to take. In phase 2, we laid out a bunch of different white powder color shifts in 25-gram loads for you guys to check out, let you guys vote, and found out that RL71, the one that I was hoping for, was the winner that we're taking to full scale. Today, phase 3, we are going RL71, 25 grams per gallon, full scale on the M3. I'm really excited for this one. I hope you guys are too. Enjoy the video. Now we're getting ready to mix the pearls into the shadow black, but remember, shadow black is only a top coat. It has to be applied over a solid base of PDS. Now we've got 6 coats of black PDS on the car right now, so we're gonna go ahead and start mixing up the pearls into the shadow black. I think we're gonna need about 2 wet coats of the pearl and shadow black mixture to get solid coverage. Well guys, the car is done and it looks absolutely beautiful. Now this was an entire experimental series. It actually lasted 3 videos and we got a ton of feedback from you guys to help choose the direction of where this experiment was gonna go. And it makes me feel a lot better because we're doing it together. This is really fun. It's not just me or my team picking the direction of the experiment. When I get your feedback too, and we implement that moving forward, then we all get to look at the end result and feel like we did it together, which is really fun. So if you guys have any ideas for more experimental series that you want to help participate in, leave a comment below and we'll talk about it. Now, I had a thought in the back of my head as we went through this experiment. If the end result, the color, was worthy of it, we were going to give it its own color name, its own gallons, and its own car kits. So if you want to do your car in this exact color, which is called Cosmic Black, I mean, is there any better name for this color than Cosmic Black? Probably not. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the Cosmic Black car kits. And that car kit will include everything you need to get the job done. The black base gallons, the Cosmic Black gallons, the accessories, the sprayer if you need one. But there's some links in the description box below to Cosmic Black gallons and Cosmic Black car kits. Now, if you need any help at all, you know what to do. Chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in. We love to talk to you guys about anything dipping related at all. Now, enough talking. Let's go outside and check out the car. It's Fonzie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one.